exercise 3B. There are 48 cans of soup in a crate. A shop had a delivery of 125 crates of soup. How many cans of soup were in this delivery? So in the delivery, we got 125 crates, and there are 48 cans of soup in a crate. So sorry about that, we have 48 cans, and this is one crate. And a shop had a delivery of 125 crates. So each crate will have 48 cans of soup, and you have 125 crates. So we're going to have 125 times 48. That'll give us the number of cans of soup in a delivery. You can use a calculator to calculate that. The shop is running a promotion on soup. Just be very careful in an exam. If it's a non-calculated paper, then you'll have to use long multiplication. I'm not going to do that here because you should have already covered long multiplication. If you have any problems with long multiplication, then please come and see me. The shop is running a promotion on soup. If you buy 5 cans, you get 1 free. Each can costs 39 cents. How much will it cost to get 32 cans of soup? Okay, so 5 cans means when you buy 5 cans, you get 1 free can of soup. Each can costs 39 cents. Let's dollar cents, doesn't make a difference. How much will it cost to get 32 cans of soup? Okay, so for every 5, we get 1 free. So we will have 5. Then the 6th one is free. Okay, so this will give us 6 cans. Then another 5 and another 1 will take this up to 12. Then 5 and 1 will take it up to 18. 5 and 1 will take it up to 24. 5 and 1 will take that up to 30. And then we're only going to have 2 cans left. And we don't get a free one because we need to purchase 5 in order to get a free can. So we've got 5, 10. These are the free cans, which obviously we do not pay for. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. That'll be 27 cans. And each can costs 39 cents. So 27 times 39 cents will give us the cost of 32 cans of soup. A school has 12 classes, each of which has 24 students. So we've got class 1, class 2, class 3, class 4, etc. And we've got 24 students in each. Okay, this is going to go up to class 12. How many students are there at the school? Well, if you've got 12 classes and 24 in each class, so 24 times 12 would be 48 plus 240 equals 288. So there's 288 students at the school. The student-teacher ratio is 18 to 1. That means that there's one teacher for every 18 students. How many teachers are there at the school? Okay, so 18 to 1 means that we have the total number of pots is going to be 19. Okay, so the ratio is 18 students to 1 teacher. So because we have 288 students, we need to divide 288 into 18. 288 divided by 18 will be 60. So that means we have 16 teachers at the school. A football club is organizing travel for an away game. 1,300 adults and 500 children want to go. Each coach holds 48 people and costs $320 to hire. Tickets to the match cost $18 for adults, $10 for children. How many coaches will be needed? Okay, so we have adults, children. So we have 1,300 adults and 500 children. Each coach holds 48 people and costs $320 to hire. Tickets to the match cost $18. So tickets is $18 for adults and $10 for children. So how many coaches do we need? Each coach holds 48 people and costs $320 to hire. Okay, so if we call adults X and children Y, then each coach will hold 48 people. So the number of adults plus the number of children will be 48. So that's equation 1. And the tickets to the match cost $18 for adults and $10 for children. So since an adult is X, if each ticket is 18, then we've got X adults. If X was 20 adults, then you would say 20 adults times 18 would give you $360. Just a random number I'm giving you, just hypothetical. It's not 20. But you take the number of adults and multiply it by 18, and that's the total cost of the tickets for the adults. For the children, you'll do the same, but it's going to be 10y. And each coach will cost $320 to hire. So that will be 320. That will be the second equation. We're going to come back to this because this is how many adults and children want to go. We first have to find out how many coaches we need, okay? Because each coach can hold 48 people. Of that 48 people, we have adults and children. We don't know what the split is until we work out X. The cost per ticket is 18 for adults and 10 for children. So we've got to set up two equations which we can solve. So if we just get let X equal 48 minus Y, we're now going to substitute this expression into there. So we'll have 18 times 48 minus Y plus 10Y equals 320. in total, we've got 1,300 adults and 500 children. So we've got 1,800 people. And each coach holds 48 people. So 1,800 divided by 48 will be 37.5. You can't have half a coach, which means we need 38 coaches. It just means we're going to have empty seats in one of the coaches. The club is charging adults $26 and children $14 for travel and a ticket. How much profit does the club make out of the trip? Okay, so 1,300 adults times $26 give us $33,800, and then 500 children times $14 will be $7,000 for the children. So this is for travel and tickets. Now, each coach costs $320 to hire. So the cost of the coaches will be 38 coaches times 320, which is $12,160. And the total here, the cost for travel and a ticket will be $33,800 plus 7,000. That's 40,800. So the profit will be 40,800 minus 12,160. We also need to calculate that the tickets to the match is $18 for adults, $18 for adults and $10 for children. So $18 times 1,300 adults, 18 times 300 is 23,400, and $10 for children. So $10 times 500 children is 5,000. So we're going to add 12,160 plus 23,400 plus 5,000. That's 40,560. So the profit will be 40,800 minus 40,560, which is $240, which $240 profit is not much. I would like you all to attempt the remaining questions. If you have any problems, then please come and see me and we can discuss it.